What's up YouTube? This is John here at Liquid House. Today's video is going to be just a quick little just montage of pretty much me hardlining my coworker's system. He's got it in a Lian PC-011, rocking a 1080 Ti Poseidon from Asus, which is a really nice car. I'm glad I get to mess with that thing today. We got a 1700X from AMD, MSI Gaming Pro Carbon motherboard, and some G-Skill Trident Z RGB RAM. Right now it's being cooled by the AlphaCool IceBear all-in-one 360. The AlphaCool all-in-ones can actually be torn down into an open loop, so that's really nice. That's essentially what we're going to be doing today. All I'm really going to be doing is hardlining the system, and so I'll be getting rid of the tubing that AlphaCool had supplied with the all-in-one and swapping it out with some Monsoon hardline tubing, some Monsoon Economy EV2 fittings, and I'm also going to be plumbing in the Poseidon, so that'll be really exciting. I'm hoping it'll come out pretty good. I got a basic idea of what it's going to look like, but I pretty much wing it as soon as I start actually getting into it about how the loop's going to go. But as long as I have that basic idea in my head, it should be pretty sweet looking. This video though is just going to be like a montage of me hardlining the system, so hope you guys enjoy.